Are you also tired of making very short AI videos that are only 5 to 10 seconds long? And are you looking for a free tool that can create longer videos for you, even up to 10 minutes with just one click? Today I want to introduce you to a very interesting AI tool that can actually generate long videos. Now, almost everything is done with AI, from writing the script to creating images, voiceover, and even making the final video. All of these steps are done in one smart space, and that makes the work much easier. The interesting part is that you do not even need to write the script yourself. This tool can prepare the text by itself, do the voiceover on it, and finally create the video for you as well. You only need to give your video topic, choose the duration, and click on the generate option. These features are available in the new CapCut Video Studio feature. To use it, you can either search for CapCut AI on Google and open the first website, or download the CapCut app from the Microsoft Store and install it on your computer. Now, first I will explain the tutorial to you through the CapCut app on the computer, and later, if needed, you can do the same thing through the website as well. When you open the app, you will see a simple and practical workspace. At the top of the page, you will see the AI Video Maker option. Click on it to enter the AI Video Creation section. In this section, there are several important parts, and each one does a specific job. At the top of the page, there is a large box. This section is for writing your video topic or script. That means you write the main video text there so that the AI can create a video for you based on it. Next to it, you will see the auto option. This option helps the system understand your text by itself and automatically turn it into a video. If you are a beginner, this section will be very useful for you because it makes the work much easier. On the right side of the box, there is an arrow. When you finish writing your text or idea, you click on that arrow. After that, the tool starts reviewing your text and creates scenes, images, and the video structure for it. A little lower, you will see the inspiration section. This part is for getting ideas. If you do not know what style or shape to make your video in, you can use the ready-made examples in this section. In this same area, the trending section shows popular examples. The AI templates section gives you ready-made templates. The styles section is for choosing the appearance and style of the video. For example, you can choose a realistic, cartoon, or cinematic style. The avatar section is also used for choosing a ready-made face or character. Further below, you also have two other important sections. The Canvas project section is suitable for creating normal projects. If you want to simply provide the script and let the system prepare the video by itself, this section is a good choice. But the storyboard project section is used for creating the video scene by scene. If you want to have more control over each part of the video separately, this section is better. When you enter the script, the system usually divides your text into several parts and creates a suitable image or video for each part.
Enjoy your meal. Welcome to creating voice.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Here, you need to look at the draft and check whether the scenes match your text or not. If you feel that the look of the video needs to be improved, you can use the Styles section and choose a more suitable style. For YouTube videos, professional and realistic styles usually give better results. After the draft is ready, you should carefully review the text, scenes, and images once.
In a world so vast, a tiny heartbeat alone. A little orange tabby, lost and vulnerable, yearned for
If anything is wrong or not suitable, change it right there so the final result becomes better. At the end, the Generate Video option is used to create the full video. And then, with the Export option, you get the final file so that you can upload it to YouTube. Overall, this tool has made video creation much easier. You only give the idea or the script, and the AI prepares the rest of the main parts for you. For this reason, if you want to make videos for YouTube faster and more easily, this tool can be a very good option for you. See you in the next video.